What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be checking out the spark plugs on my 3rd gen Toyota Prius. It's a little bit more involved than other 4-cylinder vehicles just because the this cowl right here covers your spark plug boots, so you can't take them out without taking the cowl out. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to pop that cowl off, show you how easy it is, and check out the spark plugs. Alright, first thing you want to do is remove the wiper blades. The wiper blade arms. You can put like a piece of tape or mark it somehow how they are oriented on the windshield, just so you make sure you get them back on just the way they came off. But once you do that, 214 for this arm, and you remove this cap, which may actually need a nope, you can take it off with your fingernail. 14 there. Zip that off. Keep these nuts in the cap in a safe place, and the wiper arms just wiggle off at this point. All right, so to take this cover off, it's just a few clips. Just pull up. You can use a screwdriver if it helps, or just reach under and push the clips up. But you just take those clips out. There are these 2 corner pieces that you can remove if you'd like. I'm actually missing this one, but they do come out with this piece if you want to leave them in. So all the clips, and then pull it right off. All right, next step is the wiper motor. Just a couple bolts. There. You can leave this part plugged in. You can leave this part clipped. This just moves. You want to unclip this one and this one. And from that point, you can just take the wiper motor and lay it down over there out of the way. All right, wiper motor is out of the way, so now we have pretty much this piece left. You want to take off this brace. 10 mil there, 2 10 mils down there, and you can work from like one side to the other. It doesn't really matter. Just take out all these 10 mils around there. These little bits fold down. There's kind of a clip right there. Pop that clip off. That bit folds down. This bit folds down just like that to help get this piece out from under the windshield. But there's some more 10 mils, 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil. Zip them all out, and it is pretty much, this bit is pretty much ready to come out. And with all the bolts out, lift up on it. You kind of have to watch out so it doesn't get caught on things. And just like that, it's out. Now, tearing into the engine bay this far is what you have to do for spark plugs, but it's also what you have to do if you want to clean out your EGR cooler. This is a common problem on 3rd gen Priuses. The EGR cooler clogs up, and you get a check engine light for insufficient flow or whatever. And you can also experience lower gas mileage due to a clogged EGR cooler and valve. So that's just something to keep in mind if you want to do an EGR cooler clean out your valve. Keep this video in mind. But back to the spark plugs. This cover right here is just held on by some snaps. You can see those bits right there lock into those little ball things. So you just pop that off, and we are down to the coil packs. And pretty simple from here, just a 10 mil. Unclip your plug, pull that out, and you can access the spark plug. It'll take a 14 mil socket and a magnet to get it out. I don't know what the standard like SAE size is for it, but you can get some SAE spark plug sockets with the rubber insert to pull the spark plug out. All right, so 14 mil deep socket on like a 6-inch extension. Break it loose, thread it out, get your magnet, and fish out your spark plug. Not looking bad at all. Iridium's looking pretty clean. So yeah, just do that for your other 3. Take a look at them, clean them up, replace them, whatever you want to do, and put them all back in. So there you have it, spark plugs on a 3rd gen Prius. It didn't take me very long, probably like 20-30 minutes to do, although it will take you a little bit longer if you don't have an impact drill or power tools. If you just use hand tools, it might take a little bit longer, but it's still very doable. Everything is very simple. You only need like a 14 mil deep socket, a 10 mil, a few extensions, and a ratchet, and you can do it at home, in a garage, in a driveway, in an apartment parking space, wherever you have the space to do it. You can probably do it without too much trouble. Fortunately, the spark plugs on this thing last quite a while, so this isn't a job you have to do very often, but now you know how to do it when it comes time, and you can save a little bit of money over taking it to a shop or the dealership. So that's it for this video. Installation is pretty much reverse of removal. Just take your time, don't force anything if it doesn't fit. Yeah, pretty straight ahead. Anyone can do it with basic tools and a little bit of research. Hopefully this helped a few of you out there. Give the video a like if you liked it. Drop a comment down below with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.